This technique for copying arrays works fine. Two arrays are created, age and same age. Each element of the age, that is age array, is assigned a value. Then, to copy of the four elements in age into the same age array, we must do it element by element. You can see the same picture depicts the same. This copies the first element. This copies the second element. Like printing arrays, there is no single statement in the language that says copy an entire array into another array. The array elements must be copied individually using individual assignment statements as shown in the example or as we discussed, or more efficiently by using a single assignment statement in a for loop and sequentially varying the value of the subscript for each iteration of the for loop. The subscript value will be used for both the source array and the target array. Let's see. Same age of I equals age of I. For I equals 0, I less than equals 3, I plus plus. Same age of I equals age of I. The technique used to copy one array into another is same as the technique used to copy four separate variables into four other variables. So, what is the advantage of using arrays over separate variables? One significant advantage of an array over separate variables is, in our example, using four separate variables needs four unique names. Let's discuss this once again. The advantage of an array over separate variables is the name. In our example, we have using four separate variables need four unique names. The four short variables in our array have the same name, age. The four elements in the array are identical except for an index number used to access them. This distinction allows us to shorten our code in a way that would be impossible with four variables, each with unique names. Let us see an example. stdio.h, the header file I am including, coming to the main function. Short age of 4, short same age of 4. I am declaring the variables int I, j. Age of 0 equals 23, age of 1 equals 34, age of 2 equals 65, age of 3 equals 74. Let's take the for loop now. I equals 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Same age of I equals age of I. For j equals 0, j less than 4, j plus plus. Printf %d \n same age of j, return 0. Since the only difference between each of the element in the arrays is the index, a loop and a counter can be used to more easily copy all the elements. The same technique is used to shorten the code that prints the array to the screen. If we want to perform any action on an array, we must repeatedly perform that action on each element in the array.